Hello friends, welcome. Today I am going to share 5 poses that can help strengthen our lower back and then also strengthen our core. So we will begin in child's pose. So bring the feet together, knees together. You also have the option to keep the knees away from each other if you want a little bit more comfort in child's pose. And then begin to walk the hands forward. And then relax your forehead down on the mat. Let's take 3 grounding breaths here. Deep inhale, exhale. Let's do 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Okay, 1 more. Inhale, exhale. Now let's come to hands and knees. So this is tabletop. And in tabletop, you want to make sure your wrist is aligned with your shoulders. Okay, and the knees are aligned with your hips. Spread the fingers. So this is the first pose. We will do cat-cow. So drop the belly down, shoulders back, look up, inhale. And as you exhale, round through your back. Inhale, arching the back. Exhale, rounding the back. Let's do 3 more of these at our own pace. And when you're done with your third, come back to tabletop. The next pose is called the Sunbird Pose. So we're going to extend that right arm forward. So there's a little bit of balancing going on here. And then left leg back. And try to keep the hand parallel to the floor so you're not taking it up, it's not down. It's parallel. Same thing with your leg. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can just feel that nice alignment in your back. Let's hold here for 3 more breaths. Make sure the gaze is down towards the mat. 2 more breaths. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. And release. Let's send the left arm forward. So we're doing Sunbird Pose on the other side. Left hand forward, right leg back. Inhale, reach through those left fingertips. Exhale. So we're trying to do 5 breaths on each side. So let's do 4 more here. Find your soft gaze. Try to relax your face. 3 more breaths. Last one. And release. Okay, and then the third pose, we're coming to Sphinx Pose. So let's come onto our forearms, spread the fingers, and then reach through your toes. Okay, so you want to extend those toes backwards. And then rather than rounding the back and just kind of relaxing here, see if you can bring the chest up. But your gaze is where it feels comfortable for your neck. Notice I'm not looking up or down. I'm just looking wherever my gaze lands, keeping the neck as comfortable as possible. But I am activating my forearms. And it's the strength of my forearms that's helping me lift up. Okay, we'll hold here for 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. My legs are also activated. I'm not just relaxed here. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. And take those breaths at your own pace. You can even close your eyes. And then notice the sensation in your lower back. Okay, let's take one more. Inhale and exhale together. Inhale and exhale. Okay, from Sphinx, we're going to transition to Locust Pose. Locust Pose, you're going to bring the chest down, arms go back. From here, we're going to lift up, arms come up, and then legs come up. We'll hold here for 3, 2, 1, relax. And as you come down, rest on your right cheek. Okay, we'll do the same thing 4 more times. Actually, let's do 5. We're going to lift up again. 3, 2, 1, and release. As you release, now rest on your left cheek. Okay, lifting up. 3, 2, 1, and relax, resting on your right cheek. So as you come up on Locust Pose, you're activating your legs, your arms. You should feel sensation in your lower back. Lifting up, keeping those legs straight. See if you can even lift the thighs off the mat. 3, 2, 1, relax, rest on your left cheek. Let's do this 2 more times. When you're resting, try to relax your entire body. Lifting up. 3, 2, 1, and relax, rest on your right cheek. It's a good stretch for your neck when we're resting on the opposite cheeks. Coming back up for 3, 2, 1, and let's rest on the left cheek. Take a nice long deep breath in through the nose and exhale. And from Locust Pose, we'll transition to Bridge Pose. Come onto your backs, or your back. Place the arms alongside you, feet about hip distance apart. And then with an inhale, we're going to lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Go as high as you can. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Let's do this 7 more times. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, 6. Exhale. Okay, do 5 more at your own pace. You can even close your eyes as long as you feel that nice strengthening in your legs. You should feel some activation in your legs, your back body, especially like in your glutes and your core maybe. do 3 more. Inhale as you lift up, and exhale as you slowly come down. Okay, when you're done with your last one, bring those hips back down. Straighten your left leg. Those are the 5 poses. And now we're going to end the practice. Right knee towards your right chest. And then extend that leg forward. Left knee towards the chest. And bring your feet together, knees are bent. Take the arms out to the sides and then drop the knees from right to left. Okay, let's slowly return back to center. And this is your practice. So you have the option now to stay in Shavasana as long as you want to. In Shavasana, the idea is to fully relax your body. And then take a few deep breaths. And find gratitude in your heart for this practice.